Hello and welcome to Speaking Fluency. Speaking Fluency, what is it? Speaking Fluency is speaking easily. Little or a lot, speaking easily. Speaking Fluency is speaking quite quickly. And speaking Fluency is connecting speech, connecting units of speech and doing that quickly. Speaking Fluency, how do we practice? Number one, relax. Relax. The more you relax, the quicker you can speak and think in English. Number two, repeat. For example, fluency. Fluency. 3, we will speak in full sentences. For example, what color's the pen? Black. No, no, no. We are practicing speaking in full sentences to make it easy. What color's the pen? The pen's black. The pen's black. Great. Third, we use natural English. For example, what color's the pen? The pen is black. People don't speak like this. What color's the pen? The pen's black. The pen's black. So, those are the 4 ways we practice speaking fluency. Let's do some now. Ready? Oh, it's right. Ready? So, repeat. Book. Book. Pencil. 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 Not pencil. Pencil. Phone. Phone. Pen. Pen. It's. 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 So not eats. We've got E and I. E, we got eat. Eat. And it. It's. It's. So we'll put it together in our first fluency practice. For example, what's this? Say, it's a pen. So, it's a pen. Okay, you got it. Let's try some more. So these are the words we learnt. If you want, you can take a picture. If you are very clever, you know it already. You go, haha. What's this? It's a book. It's a book. Okay, your turn now. What's this? It's a pencil. It's a pencil. What's this? It's a phone. It's a phone. What's this? It's a pen. It's a pen. So remember, not eats a pen. This is eats a pen. It's a pen. Thank you. My name's Max. This is Fluency Block, practicing speaking fluency easily and quickly. You can find me on Instagram or Facebook. Good to see you. I hope to see you again. What do you think? Is this way useful or not useful to practice? You tell me. Okay, thank you. My name's Max. Goodbye. See you next time.